Hey, welcome to episode 12, Ultimate Frisbee version 3. The footage you're about to see was filmed in 2019. I hope you enjoy. Hey, lit! Welcome back. Can you 3D print an Ultimate Frisbee part 3? Here we go. Here's an Ultimate Frisbee. Here is version 3 of the 3D printed Ultimate Frisbee. This weighs 175. In Kira's settings, this weighs 188 grams. In real life, it weighs 171 grams. So, it's getting pretty close. The last Frisbee weighed 164 grams. So, let's go outside and see how this version 3 compares to this Ultimate Frisbee. Is it going? You can don't stop. Yeah. I'll just edit it. Hey, lit! Welcome back. We're back on Ellis Field to test out version 3, bro. All right. So this was printed with a 1.2 millimeter wall thickness, and this was at 3% with the grid pattern. Now, this one is filleted, and as you can see, it kind of, I'm not sure what happened here. Kind of messed up a little bit, but I mean, either way, it still looks pretty good. So as stated, this is 175, this is 171, 4 gram difference. Let's see how it flies.
I might have even if it just snapped first throw.
Just a little bit under. Go ahead, pause it.
We're on.
That flips out.
That's right, pro thrower right here, Izzy Bonds.
Yep. Wait, which way are you throwing?
Perk City, you're right.
Hit the button, hit the button.
Can he do it? Oh, he was so close. But he's a star. He's our star.
Welcome back. All right, let's see how V3 stands against its old foe.
The wall.
Caden, as usual.
You don't want to do it?
I mean, you got a stronger throw.
That's true. But if I actually hit the wall this time, it'd be great.
And not the fence. Oh.
Did you even get it? That was a little low.
All right. So, Caden threw out the wall, and the outside just bounced completely off. So, V4 is printing right now, and hopefully it does a lot better than this one. That is all. Stay lit. See you on the next video. All right, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that footage. The files for the Frisbee are available on the website for free. Go check them out. Tag me below if you decide to download them and print them out yourselves. Go make something. Thank you for watching. And as always, you stay lit, America.